Welcome on Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video upload. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms like on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram by typing Lingala Academy. You can also connect with us on Snapchat by typing Delove Gracias, Delove Gracias, DELOVEGRATIAS. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. In this video, you will learn how to say yesterday, today, and tomorrow in Lingala. I'm also teaching you how to say these terms to form different sentences in all tenses in Lingala. Before we get started, I want you to know that in Lingala, the subject pronoun and the conjugated verb are not separate. They always combine into a single word. Contrary to many other languages, Lingala is constructed differently. Example, here we have unread all the subject pronoun in Lingala. Na, o, a, e, to, bo, and ba. And these two are the long form and contracted form of the verb to be or kozala. Here we have nazali. Nazali, which means I am, and its contracted form is naza. Ozali, you are. The contracted form is oza. Azali, the contracted form is aza. Ezali, its contracted form is eza. Tozali, toza. Bozali is boza. And finally, bazali is baza, which means they're or they are. Alright, let's get started. How to say today in Lingala. Note that in Lingala, today is called Lelo. L-E-L-O. How to use Lelo in a Lingala language sentence? We have different ways. First, you need to form your sentence starting with Lelo, followed by your subject pronoun, combined with the verb in the present tense. Example, Lelo nakanisi yo mingi. Lelo nakanisi yo mingi. Nakanisi is from the verb kokanisa. It's the present tense of the verb kokanisa, which means to think. The straight translation of this sentence is, today I thought about you a lot. Second, Or you can start your sentence by subject pronoun combined with the verb in the present tense, followed by the word lelo at the end of the sentence. Example: nakanisi yo mingi lelo. Nakanisi yo mingi lelo. I thought about you a lot today. It's the same sentence, but here we just swapped lelo, the place of the place or order of lelo. Here lelo was at the beginning, and here lelo comes last. Both sentences are correct. Third, you can also use the future tense with the word lelo placed at the beginning of your sentence. Example: lelo nakobenga yo. Lelo nakobenga yo. Nakobenga is the future tense of the verb kobenga, which is to call. We translate this by today I'm going to call you, or today I'm going to give you a call. You can also put lelo at the end using the future tense. Example: nakobenga yo lelo. Same thing like we have done here. But we translate this sentence by I'm going to call you today. Next, how to use lelo in present continuous tense. First, you need to form your sentence starting with lelo, followed by your subject pronoun, combined with the verb in the present continuous tense, and followed by a direct or indirect complement at the end of your sentence. Examples: lelo nazali kolamba soso. Lelo nazali kolamba soso. Today I'm cooking chicken. Note that to form a sentence in present continuous tense, you need two things. First, you need the verb kozala, but in the present tense. Kozala means to be. And second, you need your verb to be in the infinitive form. And here we have nazali, which is the verb to be, and kolamba, the infinitive form of the verb to cook, kolamba. Second example: lelo naza koya kotala yo. This is nazali. So why I say nazali? I said nazali because it's the contracted form of nazali. It's what we have seen on the first slide when we started this lesson. If you want to learn that again, go back to what I just said on the first slide. Okay, we translate this sentence by today I'm coming to see or to visit you. It's the same thing, to see or to visit. Next, you can start your sentence by a subject pronoun combined with the verb in the present continuous tense, followed by the word lelo at the end of your sentence. Example: naza or nazali koya kotala yo lelo. We translate this: I'm coming to see or visit you today. Oza kokumba motuka na ngai lelo. Oza kokumba motuka na nga lelo. You're driving my car today. How to use lelo in past tense in Lingala. You need to form your sentence starting with lelo, followed by your subject pronoun combined with the verb in the past tense, and followed by a complement at the end. Examples: lelo nakendeki kelasi. Lelo nakendeki kelasi. Nakendeki is the past tense of the verb kokende, to go. Today I went to class. 2. Lelo nabungisaki mbongo na ngai. Lelo nabungisaki mbongo na ngai. Today I lost my money. Nabungisaki is the past tense of the verb kobungisa, to lose. You can also start your sentence by subject pronoun combined with the verb in the past tense, followed by the word lelo at the end of your sentence. Examples: nakendeki kelasi lelo. Nakendeki kelasi lelo. I went to class today. So you just change the position or the order of lelo. Okumbaki mutuka na ngai lelo. Okumbaki mutuka na ngai lelo. You drove my car today. How to use lelo in a negative sentence. First, you need to form your sentence starting with lelo, followed by your subject pronoun combined with the verb in the present tense. Then add te at the end of your sentence. Te means no or don't. Example: lelo nakanisi yo mingi te. Lelo nakanisi yo mingi te. Any sentence in Lingala that you add te means negative. Te means no. Today, I haven't thought much about you. To make this sentence positive, you just remove te, like we have seen on the previous slide. Or you can start your sentence by a subject pronoun combined with the verb in the present tense, followed by the word lelo, then add te at the end of your sentence. Example: nakanisi yo mingi lelo te. Nakanisi yo mingi lelo te. I didn't think much about you today. Next, start your sentence with lelo placed at the beginning, followed by the verb in the simple future, and followed by te at the end of your sentence. Example: lelo nakobenga yo te. Lelo nakobenga yo te. Today, I'm not going to call you. And last, start your sentence with the verb in simple future, followed by te, and followed by lelo at the end of it. Example: nakobenga yo te lelo. Nakobenga yo te lelo. I'm not going to call you today, or I'm not going to give you a call today. How to use lelo in a negative sentence in past tense. First, you need to form your sentence starting with lelo, followed by your subject pronoun, combined with the verb in past tense, then add te at the end. Examples: lelo nakendeki kelasi te. Lelo nakendeki kelasi te. Today I haven't went to class. Second example: lelo nasukolaki simisi na ngai te. Lelo nasukolaki simisi na ngai te. Today I haven't washed my shirt. Next, or you can start your negative sentence by a subject pronoun combined with the verb in past tense, followed by the word lelo, then add te at the end of your sentence. Examples: nakendeki kelasi te lelo. Nakendeki kelasi te lelo. I didn't go to work or to school or class today. Another example: nakendeki kelasi te lelo. I didn't go to class today. If I replace kelasi by mosala, that will be nakendeki mosala te lelo. Mosala is work. I didn't go to work today. Okumbaki motuka na ngai lelo. Okumbaki motuka na ngai lelo. You drove my car today. Okumbaki came from the verb kokumba, to drive. Note that te means no or don't, and can be used in a negative sentence in any tense in Lingala. How to say yesterday and tomorrow in Lingala. Lingala uses the same word, lobi, lobi, L-O-B-I, to say yesterday or tomorrow. To distinguish them, if the main verb ends by ki or ki, it means yesterday. But if the verb ends by a or a or e, in Lingala, lobi means tomorrow. Examples: lobi lamusa ngai na tongo na benga mama. Lobi lamusa ngai na tongo na benga mama. Wake me up tomorrow morning to call mom. Because the verb ends with a, lobi here means tomorrow. Second, lobi nabengaki yo na pokwa. Lobi nabengaki yo na pokwa. Yesterday I called you in the evening. Lobby, because the verb ends with ki, ki. Lobby is yesterday. Third, lobi totalaki lisano ya ndembo na etando eke. Lobi totalaki lisano ya ndembo na etando eke. Yesterday, we watched a soccer or football game on TV. Because the verb ends with ki, lobi means yesterday. Fourth, kisi nangai ekosila lobi. Kisi nangai ekosila lobi. My medicine will finish tomorrow. Because the verb ends with a, lobi is tomorrow. Last example. Kende kotala bakoko na yo lobi. Kende kotala bakoko na yo lobi. Kende here ends with e. And it means tomorrow, because the main verb ends with e. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family. If you have a question or you have a subject that you would like to be taught next, send me a question or your subject on Instagram by typing Lingala Academy, or you can comment below and I will be very happy to answer your question. You can also connect with me on Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. Also subscribe to my comedy channel De Love Gracias on YouTube so you can watch the comedy that we already made, laugh, and learn Lingala. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. Have fun. If you want to support the channel and the work that we're doing, you can do so by going on our YouTube channel portal and click where it says donate right here to support the channel. That will take you to our PayPal account. Then you will be asked to select the amount of money and the method that you want to use to donate. Your support really means a lot to us and will give us more time to bring you more quality lessons. And I thank you so much for your help.